In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable service locations. Normally in Hulu, you would have this error, but if you upgrade it to Big Sur on your Mac or your AirBook or whatever, you're going to need to do this because it'll just keep giving you errors. So what you want to do is go into the app on top here, go to System Preferences. You want to go to Security and Privacy. Click that. Then you want to hit Location Services on the very bottom here. You want to click this, put your password in. Okay, once you put your password in, you want to make sure that you check Google. Once you check Google, we're going to go back in, lock it down, and then you'll be able to get back into Hulu with no problems and no errors. I hope this video helped. Thank you.
Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications.